welcome to my channel Technical Hakim. Today in this video I'll show you how to configure and set up Dasan OLT. So here you can see I have logged into one of the Dasan OLT. So let's see the version of the OLT. Here you can see the model number of this Dasan OLT is V5808. So in this video I have demonstrated how Dasan OLT is configured and we can operate internet as well as IPTV from this Dasan OLT. So here you can see I have shown the port status. On port number 13 I have connected uplink port, and on GPON port at 8 number there is one GPON connection. The ONU is added and connected to port number 8, which is GPON port. So as I have already configured this OLT, I will show you the configuration later on the ending of this video. So by showing ONU info we can know the information of the ONU, and here you can see I have also shown the MAC address. Here you can see the OLT is learning MAC address from uplink and downlink. So back to the ONU. ONU is already registered now on the OLT, and here you can see I have dialed the static WAN configuration on the ONT. Here you can see, and the ONT is in connected state. The WAN is in connected state, so the internet is reachable. I will show you by doing the ping test from the diagnostic option. Here you can see. So as you can see there, google.com is reachable from this ONU. So internet is already now reachable. We can also confirm from the network interface section. This ONU is Cyrotech. This is Cyrotech ONT. You can see the optical power and user interface as well as LAN and network. So let's now test the speed test. I have configured the separate DBA profile on the OLT, 50 MB profile, 100 MB profile. So let's test now the speed test. So I have shown here the speed test. So the ONU is binded with the 100 MB DBA profile. So you can we have seen that the bandwidth and the speed test was around approx 100 Mbps. So this is my further moving to my site. This is my website. Here you can see the latest blogging contents. I share the blog whenever I am free during the leisure period. I write some blog tech related blogs, and I do upload here. You can give a look. And as you all know, this is my YouTube channel. You can see and you can view and you can learn and explore wide variety of tech contents on my YouTube channel as well as on my website. Since there are not lot of content on my website, I am trying to add as much as content on my website too, so you can also learn and explore and get the information and idea from my website too. I do have my, so actually if you want to reach out to me, you can reach by my Facebook profile. We do have Facebook profile in the name of Technical Hakim, and this is our LinkedIn profile. You can reach out to us in LinkedIn. Give us a flow to make sure you receive any contents we post. So we do have a website, YouTube reach, and LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest. You can reach out to us on all the social media wherever you are available. So this is my YouTube channel where you can find very wide variety of technical contents ranging from OLT configuration to network configuration to router and switches, ONT, all the related configuration and many more tech videos I will be posting on upcoming days. So make sure you subscribe my channel. I hope you will find it reliable and informative. So all these channels and contents and social medias are handled by me. You can reach out to us in case of any technical support. Normally I provide a wide range of technical support on configuration, deployment, testing, and several other GPON network projects. So comparatively to other GPON OLTs, this Dasan OLT is a little bit different. You can even make this OLT work as a switch and likewise at the same time as OLT2. So and there is with the bridge section on GPON section, you can configure the GPON related configuration. So this is basically 8 port OLT. So you will see there are 8 GPON ports, and one of the ONU is active on GPON port 1. And sometimes what happens, the ONU gets installed in ID. Sometimes the ONU gets stuck in ideal state or in mismatch or the configuration mismatch state, and you can simply issue the ONU fix all command. So the OLT will automatically fix any issue related with the OLT configuration and the ONT configuration. So well friend, if you want any support related to Dasan OLT, Huawei and any OLT across the global market, I can provide technical support. So make sure you contact to me if you need any. I have already shared my social media profiles. You can reach out to me.